LKISSBeauty here, and guys, I have a confession. I used to never clean my makeup brushes. It just took too long. And also I use my makeup all the time. So I would just find like, oh, I'm gonna clean them, then it's gonna take forever to dry. It just became too much of a hassle. So I didn't do it. Well, guess what? That is terrible for your brushes, for your makeup, for your skin. Maybe have a little bit of downtime.
You actually don't need that much time. With It's Your Brush Love from It Cosmetics, it takes mere moments for you to do a task that can seem kind of annoying, but is actually so essential for your skin and for your makeup. It's gonna leave you with collagen and peptides. It is gentle on sensitive skin, and you literally spray it onto your brushes and just watch as you wipe away all of the makeup and debris that's been sitting there.
There you have it. Cleaning your makeup brushes doesn't have to be your dirty little secret anymore. Let's dig deep into that makeup drawer, take out all the brushes, and get to it.